Hi everyone, Pat Flaherty here at beautiful Shady Brook Farms in Yardley, Pennsylvania. I'm here to spread the word and tell our great story that we have at Master Nursery Garden Centers. We're the largest independent garden center cooperative throughout North America, and I'm going to go through 4 ways that you can save and drive profit in your store. First is our green good vendors. You can save 15 all the way up to 18%. We have over 130 vendors and distributors out there. Our over 500 stores last year that are in the network in Master Nursery, they saved over $3 million in just our graduated green good discount. 2, our volume rebate. The more your store orders, the more your volume rebate check is at the end of the year. Last year we paid out over $350,000 in rebate checks to the members. Third, which is huge, is we own the private label brand for independent garden centers throughout the country, and it's bumper crop fertilizers and soils. It gives your store a private label option to sell premium lobster, crab compost, and make 60% margin. 4 is our profit sharing program that we have. We paid out over $300,000 to store owners last year. So again, the more that you support our over 130 vendors and distributors, the more your store receives back in a profit check. So please reach out to me to learn how you can drive profit in your store and join Master Nursery. There's no annual fees because we only sign up stores that can make the minimal purchases.